So when we're involved in a project, the key is early engagement. So the sooner we can get involved in a project, the sooner we can bring our own expertise, our own supply chain's expertise to the project, and we can start to understand what the architect is trying to achieve. So that involves regular meetings, talking to the supply chain, the client, trying to understand what their theoretic design is all about, what they're trying to achieve for the building's occupancy, making sure that's all done correctly, with integrity, make sure it's done safely for those occupants when they take occupancy in the building. But it's all about creating an engineering reality, because we've got to adhere to the regulations, what the architect's trying to achieve. We've also got a budget to stick to, if we can. But the most important thing is turning the architect's theoretic design into an engineering reality. It's got to be buildable, basically. Early design verification is really important, because once the Gateway 2 process starts, there are certain points where designs can be improved, but once it reaches Gateway 2 and is signed off, any amendments after that can create all sorts of delays. We've seen it before in projects where a project's failed at Gateway 2 and it takes months again just to start the ball rolling, which can delay projects, can cost a lot of money and time. With a project, especially in Gateway 2, formal handover stages are really important to make sure that the golden thread of information is maintained throughout the project. It's all about continual meetings between all the departments, so that when we're pricing, designing, procuring and manufacturing and installing, everybody's getting a chance at the right information, the most updated information that's regulated and is required. In any particular project, full traceability involves good document control. So when we control our documents, we upload them to the client's portal, so that there's full traceability to all the stakeholders. All the stakeholders must know their own duties, roles and responsibilities. We need to understand the other stakeholders and what they're trying to deliver for the project. The more we understand, the better we'll know.